YouTube is a popular online video sharing platform that has been around since 2005. Anyone with an account can upload, view, subscribe to, comment on and rate videos on the website. Accessing the site on a Windows computer can easily be done using a browser, however there are instances when certain issues can occur. In this short video tutorial we will tackle the YouTube videos won't play issue. Clear the browser cache. The first thing you will want to do in this case is to clear the browser cache. This will delete the temporary data stored by the browser that could be corrupted and is causing the problem. Here's how to clear the cache data on your Google Chrome browser. First, open Google Chrome. You can do this by clicking on its icon from the Start menu application list. Then, click on More. This is the three vertical dots located on the top right of the browser. Then, click on More Tools. This is usually the fifth choice from the bottom. Next, click Clear Browsing Data. This will open a new window. Then, choose a time range. This will delete the cache data starting from the time selected. Make sure to check the boxes for cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. This will remove any site data stored in the browser. Then, click Clear Data. This will remove the cache data. Next, run the Internet Troubleshooter tool. Windows has a built-in tool that can detect and fix most of the common system-related issues. In this case, the Internet Connections Troubleshooter tool can fix issues regarding connections to websites. To do this, click on the Start button. Then, click on Settings. Then, click on Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot located on the left pane. Then, click on Internet Connections located on the right pane. Next, click Run the Troubleshooter, then follow any recommendations that need to be done. Lastly, update your graphics drivers. If you are unable to play back YouTube videos, then this could be caused by corrupted or outdated graphics card drivers. To do this, right-click on the Start button. Then, click on Device Manager. Then, click on the forward arrow before Display Adapters. Then, right-click on the display adapter. Then, click on Update Driver. Next, click on Search automatically for updated driver software. Next, restart the computer. After performing the troubleshooting steps in this video, you will successfully fix YouTube videos won't play issue.